Okay, I got the two fuselage sides joined, and I'm using the wing as kind of a check that I've got all the bolts are going to fit on. I kind of made a small mistake with this in that I made these sides, I made them a little wider, and just for strength. So this actually isn't on yet, so I'm going to pull this. So these sides are a little wider than they're supposed to be. I made them twice as wide, 4.6 instead of 2.3 millimeters. So I kind of had to fudge things with the fuselage bottom. And you can see how it's not flush, but you know, it still works. And the other thing that happened was that it wasn't quite straight. It was actually off quite a bit. The tail was warped to the left, depending on which side you look. But it turns out with PLA, if you take a heat gun and and pass over the sides, just wave it back and forth like you're spray painting, you can straighten things out. So I actually was able to straighten this pretty well, fortunately. So that's one thing to pay attention to. It doesn't go, you just have to, if you haven't built stick models before, then it could be kind of a challenge. This will not be my last fuselage I make, but I did learn quite a few things, and I think this Kevlar, I used that with CA as it's maybe a quicker way to do things, but the fuselage I think is sturdy enough, and this aircraft is going to be treated like a free flight airplane anyway, so I'm not going to be doing high G maneuvers or anything. But yeah, I kind of like how this came out with using the PLA for the skin instead of covering it. So you can theoretically just do full PLA and not have to put any tissue on the fuselage. Now the wing I'm going to have to cover with something, and I'm probably going to use tissue. So yeah, so far it's looking good. I like the way it's turning out, and I learned quite a bit from this first try. So I'll probably be printing up another one to learn a little bit more and have another model make a couple of these.